Hey everyone, it's Morgan. Today I'm going to be showing you 6 dairy-free smoothie recipes to kickstart your morning. For me, dairy inflames my stomach, and my brother is anaphylactic allergic to the casein and whey in milk, so we have to really work around milk in our family. Since it's fall time, I kind of wanted to add a fall recipe, some smoothie recipes that have greens. I don't even have one that has greens in them. You could add greens to any of these. Just so you guys know, a lot of these smoothies turn out being not so sweet, and you could always add sugar or a sugar substitute. These smoothies are gluten-free and vegan as well because I used gluten-free oats. Let's get into it. I ran into a very large problem while filming this video. You need ice for all smoothies to make them thick. Guess who ran out of ice? Me. So a lot of these smoothies look a little bit juicy, but all you have to do is add ice to make it thicker. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click that little red button down below. And I'm going to be having a very large 100 subscriber giveaway. Be sure to comment if you like recipe videos. This is kind of a new thing to me and I really enjoyed shooting it.